All right, Austin here from Currie Motors, and move over Flipper because we got a Ranger with a splash package. Let's take a look here. So this is a 2022 Ford Ranger in cyber orange with the splash package on it. So the splash package came with, various different colors with different graphics, things like that. But when we're looking at this one here, we do have this black striping going the full length of the vehicle here to the back, and it'll wrap around, continue up, and go back around the other side of the vehicle. So you got a full wrap here on this nice vinyl graphic there. Now, what else do you get with the splash package? Now, you do get all blacked out items. So you have your blacked out Ranger logo with the XLT. You do get different special splash package wheels there. And then as we come around to the front, you will have a blacked out piano black grille that'll be part of that splash package. And taking a look here, you can see Ranger across the front, blue Ford logo there. We do have sensors up here, go all the way around to our fog lights. So you come around the side here, you do have collapsible mirrors, forward and back. That way, if you ever hit it on anything, they will not rip off. As we're coming along to the back here, you do have the bed of the truck. So you can see Ranger in there. You do have your backup camera here, trailer hitch plug in there. You do have your hitch here, and then your spare tire would be here. You put your key in, crank it down, and the spare tire would come down from underneath there, as you can see. So as we take a look in the bed, you can add really whatever you want in here. If you want a bed mat, if you want a spray-in liner, if you want a drop-in liner. Personally, I would recommend the spray-in liners. They have lifetime warranties, and they are really, just great, aesthetically pleasing to look at. Now, you do have spaces where you could technically add box cleats back here. You can add a lot of different accessories in the bed as you choose. Let's close this up. Let's go around the side. Over here, we do have the capless fuel system here, the easy fuel system here with Ford. Parts of that were built here locally. Check this back seat. So back here, you can notice that we do have this nice same cyber orange pinstriping. In the back seat of the Ranger, you do have a nice little armrest / cup holder. You do have this manual rear sliding window. You have a 110 volt plug-in as well as 2 USB plug-ins for your back seat guests. Now let me get in here. Now the seat in front of me, I was just driving in, so I'm about 6'4". And as you're gonna notice, this seat pretty much all the way back, I still fit in here. Yeah, my legs are touching, but I am 6'4" and I'm all legs. So it's very spacious compared to, what the old Rangers used to be. And I really do like this interior color with the splash package stitching on these seats. So let's hop out here. Now you do have your key fob. You can unlock, lock, auto start the vehicle. You do have this key code here. Now you can put whatever 5-digit code you want. There will be a factory 5-digit code, and you can make your own 5-digit code to unlock the car. To lock the car, you just press the 7890 button at the same time. It'll lock the vehicle. You can lock all your personal belongings in there and everything. And that way, if you're going hiking, you wouldn't lose your keys or your wallet or your purse or your phone or whatever you want in the woods. But let's take a look on the inside of the vehicle here. So now we're here on the inside of this Ranger splash package. Let's take a look at all this technology and some of the things on the inside here. So you do have your auto headlights, auto high beams, everything over here. Now your mirrors can be controlled up here. So left, right, and you can adjust those accordingly. You can adjust your dimming and brightness of the screen up here and over there. You do have your lane keeping here, which means if you go over the center line or the sideline, the steering wheel will vibrate. If you keep going, it'll pull you back into the lane. You also have adaptive cruise control over here, so you can set yourself 1 to 4 car lengths away from the car in front of you. And you'll notice there on the screen, let's zoom you in. When I turn cruise control on, you'll see setting 1 to 4 car lengths away. Now, while we're looking up at this screen, you can go ahead and edit everything up here. You can look at your different trip info. You can look at your speed, distance to empty, all of those kind of things there. You can change some of your driver assistance features, such as your blind spot, your adaptive cruise control, your lane keeping. You do have pre-collision with active braking. Your trailer sway control, if you're towing a trailer, this will make sure that the trailer will not sway behind you and it'll stay in a linear line there. As we move over in the steering wheel, you can control your sound, your volumes, your different music. You can do your hands-free voice-activated assist. You have your settings. You can click here and it'll go to settings on that screen. So it is something I do like. You can click home, takes you to the home screen. Hit settings, takes you to the settings there. That's kind of convenient. You can access your home screen from your steering wheel. In here, I have a whole video about deep dive into this. Just kind of brief overview. You have your audio, your climate, your phone, your navigation, your apps, and your settings. As we move down here, you do have your emergency flashers. You can control some of your music here. You do have your heated seats. You can control some of the air. 12 volt on each side for both the passenger and the driver, and there's 2 USBs down there. You do have your tow package mode there. You do have your park assist here and your traction control. 4-wheel drive settings are there. You can shift into your gears. Now, in the Ranger, you still have an actual parking brake, opposed to everything else going to that electronic parking brake. Now, here in the center console, we do have a nice deep storage unit where you can store whatever you want in there. The seats, you're going to notice, because it is that splash package, are outlined in the same exterior color. It's this orange, cyber orange color on the outside, so you get this orange wrapping on the inside of the vehicle here. For the passenger, you do have some Ranger badging there, some storage on the doors, a cup holder, a glove box, and a little bit of storage up here. So this Ranger is available right now here at Currie Motors Ford of Frankfort. You can see it on our front line. Splash package is a very rare item, hard to get, so I can guarantee you this will not be here long. The cyber orange is a super popular color. I love the color with all of the blacked out features. I think it plays off each other very well. Currie Motors here, Ford in Frankfort. It's available right now.